We are back today. This morning I applied a second coat onto the powder bathroom walls in the bathroom. It looks so good, so much better. And I'm like feeling more confident that I made the right choice with doing a lime wash. So I figured today I would kind of do a little online shopping with you guys before I go and finish up the third coat in the powder bathroom. And then I'm also thinking about going out, and I think I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby and see if I can find any little decor bathroom accessories. But for the most part, we are gonna shop online. I'm gonna find a vanity that has storage, and then I'm also going to, I'm gonna set you guys right here, not really the best angle. But then we're going to find a vanity. I gotta find a mirror, lighting, and the bathroom hardware that I'm going to order. So anyways, we're gonna do a little screen share. I'm gonna do some online shopping and see what we can find, because I really want to get this powder bathroom done and completed. So yes. Also, I did my first figure painting, which I was very excited about, right here behind me. So anyways, I'm sure I'll probably get questions on it. But yeah, I painted that recently, actually maybe just the other day. But yeah, I absolutely love figure painting. It's nice to step outside of doing landscape paintings. But yeah, I did it with lime wash and charcoal, and I really like it. So I'm thinking for, obviously I'm gonna add some art into my powder bathroom. So I'm thinking about doing some, maybe like a figure sketch with charcoal for one of the frames, and then probably just putting one of my prints in the other frame, or I may just whip up a new piece of art. I don't know, we'll see. So anyways, I'm gonna flip you guys over to my camera. We're gonna do some, flip you over to my computer. We're gonna do some online shopping and see what we can find. So we are gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna do some online shopping on Amazon. I love Amazon for so many different reasons. It's just so convenient to find everything you need and just order it all at once. So I'm gonna start with the switch plates. These switch plates are from a brand called Nostalgic Warehouse. And I really like them because they have a lot of different varieties and styles of switch plates. Just about any switch plate you would need, they would carry. So I did add these two switch plates to my cart. Now I do want to shop for a bathroom vanity. I have looked high and low, and of course all the bathroom vanities that I love are like $1,000, like $800 to like $1,000, which I do not have that budget for this tiny little space. So I'm going to try and find an affordable bathroom vanity that is about 18 inches. Now the pedestal sink that I currently have is about 24, the width of it. But I think that 18 will look quite nice. I do like the look of the Avery of this one that's 20 inches. But yeah, you guys can see they just have a really wide variety. However, I do really like this one. I love the wood tones of it. Just simple, clean, black hardware. And I really like that it has storage that's hidden. So I have two storage options. I like the cupboard. I really like the drawer. So I'm going to add that one to my cart as well. And then I'm going to go ahead, and then I'm also needing a bathroom mirror. And I went back and forth with some different mirror ideas, but because this vanity is 18 inches wide, 18 and a half, I'm just going to get a mirror that is about the same width. So they do have these mirrors that are lit up behind, but I think I just want something really simple, not too crazy. I do like the look of the rotating ones, but let's see what we can find. I'm gonna scroll down. I don't want a round one. I do like this rectangular one. It has really good reviews. The price isn't too bad. Comes in black, and it comes, oh, perfect, an 18 by 30, 32. Okay, I'm gonna add that to my cart. So right now we're looking about $456 just for those few things. This does add, everything adds up so quickly. Okay, so now we have that, and then I'm just gonna see if I can find, I love the globe style look for the bathroom. I just kind of maybe thinking about maybe doing kind of like a shade, like a light that has a shade. So let's type in maybe lantern. Here we go. Okay, I like these. I like that one. The all gold. Let's see if this one has other options in color. Oh, I like that one. I like the mix and match. I'm going to add this one to my cart. Not bad. $75. Okay, and the last item, let me see. This, I'm trying to find what sinkhole or faucet I'm going to need for this vanity. So it says it's a 4-inch center set faucet. So that is what will fit. So, okay, so let's go. A brass 3-hole bathroom faucet. I really like that one. I love the style of that one, actually. Now, unfortunately, this one is an 8-inch, so I am going to need a 4-inch center set. So let's just see. I'm going to add this to my cart just so I don't lose it. And then let's see if we can do powder bathroom. Let's see if we can get some hardware. I don't need too much. I really just need the, oh, perfect, right here, $20. Ah, you guys, this is amazing. So quick to just find everything that I need. So we got the switch plates, we have the vanity, we have the mirror. I do think I'm going to need a different plate cover for that other outlet. Okay, I want to show you guys how the lime wash is looking currently. So with no light on, it's definitely a taupe. It's exactly the color that I wanted, that I'm going for. But obviously when you turn the bathroom light on, it looks a lot more beige, a little bit. But anyways, this is how the wall's looking with the second coat. And I think, like, I could see a couple white patches. It is still drying. So I think it could probably use maybe one more coat. It does have to dry for a couple more hours. But right now I'm going to measure and get everything to make sure I have the right dimensions of the vanity and the mirror. So I definitely need to switch the base or the switch plates because the one I have in my Amazon cart is not correct. So I'm glad I double checked that. So I'm gonna go and find a different one. But I think the black switch plate would be perfect for this right here. So I'm gonna take this off. We're gonna get the black one. We're also gonna get the black toilet paper roll as well. And then I had this, a few just like pottery pieces, just kind of like laying around my house. And I just really love the look of like the rustic textured pottery. So I'm thinking I have a couple different pots I'm gonna play with, but I think I'm gonna do like maybe, you know, a little cute floral piece on the back of the toilet, something like that. And then I have a rug that I actually bought for my laundry room, which I will show you guys once I get all this cleaned up. We'll roll it out and see how it looks. But I think that will look really nice in here, add some color. And then for the artwork, I'm debating because here's gonna be the mirror. I'm debating about doing 2 large frames here, or maybe doing like an art gallery wall might look really cool here. So that is what I'm currently debating on. I had some pottery around my house and I bought this spray paint from Home Depot, which I thought it was a cool color. Obviously now looking at it, it's going to be way too close to my powder bathroom walls. But it has this, it's rich and elegant textured finish, and it has like almost this like gritty texture to it. So I had this pot that I did on my YouTube video like forever ago. Some people hated it, some people really liked it, you know, it's whatever. But I just bought these pots from Home Goods, and this was $12.99. Let me show you guys. Anyways, this is like the gray, and I just gave it a nice coat of color. The plastic bag is stuck to it. Let me flip you guys around. Anyways, it was $12.99. I probably should have took the tag off. But I'm thinking this actually might be a good little addition to the powder bathroom on the back of the toilet. Obviously I'm gonna have to paint it black because this color is just not gonna work. But I really do like the gritty texture that this paint gives off. So I think, I don't know, it's a good little pot option for on the back of the toilet. I could also maybe just leave the lid off of it and do some really cute like floral stems in it if it's like maybe painted black. So I think I'm gonna give this a try. I actually do have black paint on me currently, so I think I'm gonna go grab it. We'll paint this black and we'll see how that looks. I had this Bear chalk decorative paint for quite a while and I love the finish on it. I actually painted these black pots with this color paint, and this is in the color Classic Noir, and I just really like it. It's almost like a really soft black. So anyways, we're gonna give this just a quick, simple change. Let's go. Cute. Very cute. Okay, we are gonna let this dry for a little bit, and then let me just paint this rim. Perfect, I'll let that dry. So there's just a few spots that I could see that just need a little touch-ups on. So I think I'm gonna take my brush, do a couple more touch-ups, and then we are gonna clean up this bathroom. So the last 2 or 3 days, I had a couple of packages arrive from Amazon. So this came in the mail. This is going to be the towel holder for the bathroom. I also got the toilet paper roll, so we are going to swap this one out for that one. And then I also was just in the middle of opening up the new switch plates. And this is from a brand called Nostalgic on Amazon. I found them when I was doing my girls' room. They have really cute switch plates for like bedrooms, bathrooms, whatever you want to do. But you have like vintage style, modern, transitional, traditional. Anyways, a really good variety in all different colors. I thought I'd open this up and show you guys. These arrived, the switch plates, but I'm a little bummed because these are definitely bronze, and I was going for black accents. So I don't think these are going to work. I'm gonna have to order some new ones. I don't like the bronze and black. I don't know. I just feel like they really need to match. These are really great quality, but this is in the wrong color. So the bathroom faucet arrived as well. This is in the color, it's a antique brass, and I really love the detailing of the knobs. And I also like that the spout is a 360 swivel as well. So I'm very anxious to install this. I think it's gonna look great. It's also gonna tie in the lighting, but yeah. So that is what arrived. I wanted to give you guys an update with how the bathroom is coming together. Today, the clips that you just saw were from yesterday. So today I was able to install what I have received so far. And yeah, I want to give you guys a little tour. So I ended up doing 3 coats of the lime wash because when the second coat was on there, there were still like a few spots I wasn't loving. And then you guys can see like where there's like almost like a whitewash that kind of dries on top, like when you apply the paint. So anyways, I feel like I just needed to be a little bit more balanced. It looks a lot softer and not so harsh in the camera versus like how it is in person. It's much more softer. Anyways, I absolutely love the lime wash. I'm like thrilled about it. I'm trying to like not go overboard with having to do it in like another room because I do love it a lot, but I have enough paint where I think I could probably have enough to do my laundry room in the same color. So we'll see. But anyways, this is how it looks so far. And I will say, I feel like it makes the powder bathroom feel really tall and much bigger, ironically. So anyways, I ended up getting these installed today. This is like such great quality, super affordable from Amazon. And then I ripped out the pedestal sink. This looks like a little bit of a mess, but I'm not worried about it because the new pedestal or the new sink is going to cover it all. So waiting on the new switch plates to come, and then I installed the new towel holder as well. This is from, I ordered these together. They came in a package, this and the toilet paper holder, and they're really great quality, super sturdy. So I'm thrilled about that. And then we also have the really cute bathroom pendant light, which I am thrilled about. It looks so sharp. So yeah, this is the faucet that's waiting, but I really do love the pop of black. So I have this vase that I ended up painting earlier in this video, and it turned out really nice. I actually really like it black. So I'm gonna find some new floral stems to go in there because I think that will look really nice. And then I also have these black frames. So I'm thinking, you know, about doing 2 pieces of artwork. I can't decide which way I want to hang them, but I'll figure it out. So anyways, we're on the last stretch. We're on the last stretch of this bathroom, and I'm very excited. It was like a fun, small little space. I love the mood. I love the mood of this bathroom. It's really nice, and it's like warm and inviting. And I'm glad I ended up not doing it all dark. So I think this was a really soft color to go with. So I'm very excited. So we're just waiting for the last few things, but those won't get here till probably a week and a half, 2 weeks. So until then, this bathroom is gonna be on pause. But I am gonna figure out 2 prints to add above my toilet. I'm just gonna print them off from my own shop. And yeah, I have 2 prints in mind that I think would look really good. So thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely keep you guys posted on the powder bathroom reveal once I receive those last few things.